Welcome guys, today I have for you a Okamoto 1224DX. This is a grind X machine and we'll just get into it, starting off with our hydraulics. So hydraulics will also start our table as well. For one, you need to press whichever direction you want to go in, and we can play with our speed control right here. Bring that up a little bit. This is full speed for you. And we'll just bring it down just a little bit for you. This machine does have a bunch of different feed settings for like CROSSFEED and so on and so forth. So we'll just start off with a traverse cycle for you. This lever right here is going to be your CROSSFEED. This, in the position that it's in right now, it steps. So it's only going to go in however much you set it to with this knob right here. Or if we bring it on over to this side, it's going to be a continuous grind, as you could see. Go ahead, put that back down to step for you. Machine does come with the down feeds as well, different versions of down feed. So this is in its cycle to where every time it hits one of the switches in the front or the back, it will down feed to whatever dimensions you have it set to. Get that going. Actually put it on continuous so it's a little bit quicker of a process. This machine will feed all the way down to 0 as I have it set right now, and when it's done, it will park itself all the way to the right side. So while it's just feeding and doing its own thing, I will show you that it does come with a dresser, hydraulic dresser right here, played with this. You bring it on out, you can see the dresser comes out with me. And same thing if I go in, and this knob right in the middle is going to be how fast and slow you go. So as this is going down a little bit more, you could see off to the left-hand side there is a coolant tank. Does come with the paper feed. The way that that works is there's a little plunger to it that when it gets filled with all your debris, it will go ahead and set off and start rolling through. Go ahead and demonstrate that for you. It's a very quiet hydraulic system. I do have it running right now. We do have a variable magnetic control right here, along with our on and off right there. Machine does also have the spark out settings off to this side right here, anywhere between 0 and 5 depending on what you want to do. When we're done feeding with this cycle, I will demonstrate the rapid up and down for you. Just give it a couple seconds. I can start the wheel for you, my apologies. Let's get that wheel started. Very nice spindle on there. So we're getting to the nitty-gritty of our feed. And now we should be in our spark out mode. I do have it set for 3 passes. So once it's done with that, it will go ahead and park itself and you're ready to go. Just like that. So as I mentioned, I will be showing you our rapid up and down. You set it over to the little squiggly line right here, and you could go ahead and press either up or down, depending on what you want to do. Another quick setting I could show you would be basically like a plunge setting. Oh, let me go ahead and put that back into its proper position. Oh, my apologies. It did not work that way because we were in the negatives. So let's go ahead, give it a little bit more height, and let me show you. So to where every time it hits the left-hand side, it will down feed a little bit, or you could change it for both left and right. And same thing, once it goes down to 0, it will spark out and park itself all the way to the right-hand side. So just give it a quick second. A couple of spark out passes. And then park. Before I go, I do just want to show you the step feed again, just one more time. Go ahead and do that. Oh, only 1 second. Just to give you an idea, and bring that over. As you can see, we're now just stepping in as we keep going. So it will be the same deal as the continuous, to where once it hits 0, it will park itself to the left, to the right. But I got the feed all the way up really high, and I don't want to drag this video on much longer. So again, this is going to be the Okamoto 1224DX wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.